Hello everyone, my name is The Bird Boy, and today I'm bringing you a new segment and a new game, and it's called Dead Island. Let's do this. New character. Yeah, I love this game, as you can tell. But I really do love this game.
I used to be on top of the world, brother. All-pro quarterback, 4 years running.
Vote Logan, you know, he sounds... Sorry about the camera. I had to fix my freaking camera, so I knocked it down. Whoa. That's some freaky stuff. If you know what I mean. You know what I mean. So I just wanted to bring you guys, and then I have my freaking 360 controller here. And yes, I have played this game before, so it's gonna be awesome.
Well, what do we got here?
Oh. Yeah, so, yeah, yeah. Sorry if my face is a little too bright or too dark. Okay, just making sure. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you an Easter egg. If you exit this room and you go left, you can see that these two are here. And the bloody axe is here too, from the trailer. But, there's no signs of the little girl. And their hands, they're just so close to touching, but they're never... Okay. So yeah, I'm pretty good. Yeah. So yeah, this game is awesome in every way. Okay, ready? Go. Oh. 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 Did 3 tries. Yeah. So okay, just making sure. You have to make sure, or girls, or whatever.
Something good in here?
Yes, there is something good in there. Oh, the one suitcase that was empty. Whoa, this game is awesome. I love this game. Ooh. That was weird. Let's continue playing. Well, that opened up. Oh. Oh, dang it, I messed it again. There we go. Oh, dang. Jesus, look at that. That is awesome. Isn't that awesome? Come on. God, that is awesome. What? Oh. Boom, 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 boom. Done. hear this one. Yeah. Oh, good thing it shuts a little bit. Don't want to get eaten by zombies.
I can see you through the camera. Feeling alright, mate? The shakes? Fever? Chills? Good. I'll introduce myself later. Right now, we've got to get you the hell out of there. Do exactly as I say, okay? You're gonna have to trust me. First, you need to get hold of a weapon. Search in the maintenance storage room by the end of the corridor. I would move if I were you. Now.
Why can't I just punch him? Okay, running. I don't even care. Oh, Jesus.
It's the infected! Run! Run for the storage room!
Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God, don't get caught! Don't get caught!
Just a bit farther!
Why did you stop sprinting? Jesus, I swear. Oh. Okay, that was really weird. Really weird. But awesome. Oh, survivors. Gosh. Shit.
I'm doing it. No! Didn't I bloody tell you? Now stop! Wait! Hey! Can you hear me? Do you understand what I'm saying? Nod your head. Nod your bloody head.
I'm nodding my
I ain't asking
head.
you again. Oh, thank God.
He was gonna kill me.
Bloody execution.
Just still making sure it's cool.
Those we came to bash in your head in.
Things came for us. Why don't you do something? Won't anyone help him?
to fucking
Don't just let him die out there. He saved your life. You owe him your life.
Okay, I will go out there.
You going out there or you
You're not gonna move. Get the hell out of the way.
at least have a weapon? You need to find a weapon.
I need to find a way.
Please. He's the only one who took it.
Alright, this is fucking crazy. On three. 1, 2, fuck it, 3!
Holy cow. That's it. No! Oh my goodness. Oh.
Who's next?
Oh my goodness. I just saved his life. Life of death. Oh,
That's the
dang.
last one? Okay then. Thanks, mates.
That was pretty awesome. Act 1.
Are you there? Hello? Can you hear me? Shit. Hello?
We were just attacked. Listen, your friend from the hotel's awake. You were right about him being immune to this thing. If it wasn't for him, we wouldn't have made it. Maybe now we can hold out until help arrives.
There is no help. This thing can't be stopped. I saw how it took my wife.
You need to get out of there, and I can help you. I can arrange for transportation, by air, by sea, but first you need to get here. To me.
I have many sick and injured here, mate. They're crazy with fear. Tell me where you are.
About
Where are you?
stupid tower. Be like,
You there, mate? Hello? Hello? God damn it.
Hopefully, it won't do it.
Didn't think you were gonna make it.
No thanks.
I'm gonna have to end episode 1 here. Please leave a like if you enjoyed. Please subscribe to become a part of Everyone in the Everyone Army. Please leave a comment down below, tell me how I did. And as always, have a good day.